Inflation's up 7% over the past year. Why does it matter, and what should you do about it? I'm Carlos with Metas Investments. We bring you unique investment ideas and insights. Let's get to it. Over the past few months, inflation has been all over the news. Inflation is an increase in the cost of the things we buy and use, like food, gas, clothes, and other things that we consume every day. This week, we learned that inflation rose 7% over the past year. This was due to pandemic-related issues. The last time inflation was this high, it was 1982. So why does this matter? This matters because the things we consume every day are getting more and more expensive. But the main problem is that while inflation grew 7%, our wages decreased by 2.4% over the same time period. And this means that every dollar we earn is buying less and less of the goods that we consume. So what can we do about it? As investors, we look for ways to be invested in assets that will benefit from rising costs, like real estate, commodities, stocks, and a few more things that we posted on our Instagram page. One easy thing you can do is find ETFs that provide exposure to these asset classes. They're an easy way to get inflation protection in your portfolio. Have you seen inflation in the things that you buy? If so, comment below and let us know what you're seeing out there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and read our blog about inflation, where you can learn more at moremetas.com. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.